Turkey is often imagined as a bridge between East and West. Mosques beside cafes, ancient ruins near modern cities, and landscapes that feel unreal. But first-time travelers often underestimate Turkey. Not because it is difficult, but because it is layered. Culture, history, religion, and daily life intertwine closely here. Without preparation, Turkey can feel overwhelming. With the right mindset, it becomes one of the most rewarding destinations in the world. In the next few minutes, this guide will explain what to prepare before arrival, how to manage a realistic budget, and how to move respectfully within local culture. Turkey is not just one experience. Each region feels different, from Istanbul's energy to Cappadocia's calm, and the Mediterranean coast's rhythm. Visa requirements depend on nationality. Many travelers can enter visa-free or apply for an e-visa online. Checking official sources before booking flights is essential. Entry and documents? Passports should be valid for at least 6 months beyond the entry date. Immigration procedures are generally straightforward and efficient. The first impression is movement. Airports are busy, voices are expressive, and interactions feel direct. This energy continues throughout daily life. Money and budget. The local currency is the Turkish lira. Prices may look high at first, but value becomes clear with context. Cards are widely accepted in cities. However, cash is still important for markets, taxis, and smaller businesses. Carrying both creates flexibility. Turkey offers strong value compared to Western Europe. Food, transport, and accommodation can be very affordable with informed choices. One common mistake is converting prices mentally into home currency. This often leads to unnecessary hesitation or overspending. Understanding local price ranges helps maintain balance. Public transportation is widely available in major cities. Metro, tram, and buses are efficient and affordable. Transportation. In Istanbul, a transport card simplifies daily movement. It works across multiple transport modes and reduces travel costs. Taxis are common, but require awareness. Using navigation apps and confirming routes helps avoid misunderstandings. Long-distance buses are a major part of travel culture. They are comfortable, punctual, and cost-effective for moving between regions. Food and daily life. Food in Turkey is not just sustenance. It is hospitality, identity, and daily ritual. Street food is everywhere. From simit to kebabs, quick meals are filling, fresh, and affordable. Meals are often unhurried. Rushing is uncommon, especially in social settings. Sharing food is a sign of warmth. Tea is central to Turkish daily life. It is offered in shops, homes, and even during business discussions. Accepting tea is often a gesture of respect, not obligation. Culture and etiquette. Islam influences daily rhythms, but Turkey is diverse and secular in structure. Mosques coexist with modern lifestyles. Dress codes vary by region. Modest clothing is expected when entering mosques, while cities allow more flexibility. Communication is expressive and direct. Volume and gestures do not indicate anger, but engagement. Bargaining is part of traditional markets. It should feel friendly, not aggressive. Respect maintains balance. Weather and seasons. Turkey experiences distinct seasons that shape travel style. Weather affects walking distances, crowds, and energy levels. Choosing the right season can define the entire experience. Spring and autumn offer mild temperatures and balanced crowds. They are ideal for city exploration and historical sites. Summer can be intense, especially inland. Coastal regions become lively, while cities require adjusted pacing. Winter is quieter and more affordable. Snow transforms regions like Cappadocia into entirely different landscapes. Destinations and experience. Istanbul is layered. Ancient, chaotic, and deeply human. It rewards patience and curiosity. Cappadocia feels otherworldly. Its landscapes slow time and invite reflection. The Aegean and Mediterranean coasts offer calm, warm water and slower rhythms. Trying to see everything creates fatigue. Depth often matters more than distance. Turkey is generally safe for travelers. Awareness and common sense are usually sufficient. Turkey responds to openness. Respect earns warmth. Curiosity opens doors. Turkey is not a destination to rush through. It is a place to listen, observe, and experience fully. Save this guide for your journey and follow for more travel insights from around the world.